Hello, soulmates. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this stylish cowl neck top. This top is so easy to make. It won't take you more than 15 minutes to start and finish it. You can make this top with any lightweight fabric like chiffon, lightweight crepe, or even duchess. Alright, so let's head right into the tutorial. So the length of my fabric is 31 inches, but the length of my top is 25 inches. So I'll mark 25.5 inches and then I'll fold over the remaining fabric. Okay, so what I will do next is to fold this again so that I can shape the down of the top. I came up from the hem by 6 inches and then I'll connect it to the middle of the fabric. And then I will cut it out. After this, I'm going to cut out straps. I need 4 straps for this dress. 2 will be at the neck and then 2 at the side for the waist. Tie my waist. Okay, so for the bigger straps, I'm making them 2 inches, 2 inches thereabout. So, and then for the smaller ones, I'm making them 1 inch. Okay, so I'll cut out the straps and then I'll go to my machine and I'll join them. I'll come back and show you how it looks like. So this is what we have already. We've not done the sewing, but this is how this dress will be. Look, it's already forming. All right, so this side's gonna be okay with the straps. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my sewing machine and then I'm going to join them. It is going to be beautiful, tell you. So I've joined my straps to the dress, to the top, and this is how it came out. See, it's looking beautiful already. Okay, so let me just go and try it on and see. See what I said? This top is so easy to make. Yeah, so easy to make, and you can achieve it in, let's say, 10-15 minutes. See? Yeah, this is how it looks. So simple and lovely. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe, like, comment and share this video so that others can learn from it. Thank you.